This is what I have for my inland drive and exploration and travel.
Hi everyone, this is Anu here.
Hi everyone, it's Abhi.
We want to take you on a little tour on our gadgets.
Yeah, this basically my wife asked me, why do I need to start a YouTube channel? I said I have a reason and I'll show it to you. And why not to our subscribers or viewers as well.
Hi Abhi, let's show your gadgets.
Okay, I'll show you why I want to start a YouTube channel. And maybe you as well. Stop here. Have all the necessary things to record and make a lovely video out of most of this.
What inspired you to start a channel?
We've seen many people on YouTube making very good videos, and also our lovely friend Teju always wanted to tell us, you travel so many places, you have everything that you need to shoot a good videos. Why not? We're like, yeah, it was a good inspiration. I thought like and also very many YouTube channels on YouTube which I always watch. So why not? Let's do it. As we travel, let's just capture it. And also we have loads of old videos which we traveled a lot. We'll show you why we traveled a lot. And also we'll show you the proof, yes, we traveled. Okay.
So Abhi, tell us what all you have.
Look, I have a DJI Neo, a small one, which I can use quickly. And also we have a DJI Mini 4 Pro to get very big shots and nice shots in a bigger environment. And there's some things like dive body, which we recently added to our gadget, Insta360 X5. So I got this dive body because we'll see that more. We are doing a scuba diving Tenerife, so it's going to be lovely with the X5 and the dive case. Apart from that, like we have this bullet time, which comes as one of the accessories where you can do a specific shot. And we have a 3-meter long selfie stick, which nearly gives you like a drone footage with a Insta X5. So excited to do all this. So we're gonna put this new gadget to test in this big trip which we're doing for nearly a week in Tenerife.
Stay tuned everyone.
Yeah, tell me honestly, what collections you got from different places, all you have traveled, all these yours?
Let me show you.
That's our fridge in the kitchen. Yeah, go on.
All our memories captured in every place that we have been. Our first move to Ireland, we live in Dublin. My first trip was Belfast, and then all our trips after is all arranged in the same order we have been on. And
yeah, I think we adjusted in few places where we couldn't find good place to put them. Yeah, but yeah, very sequential.
This was one of the most memorable trip.
Yeah, Italy, I bet you. That was awesome. The best trip. Venice too.
Venice.
Yeah, like many, there are many places.
And we love road trips.
Yes.
With our Range Rover.
Yeah, I'll show you at the last what we got to travel in local or it's in the country. Maybe we might do some ferry trips as well going forward, which we have done one with our old Range Rover LR to UK. This time we're planning to do with the new one to go to France from Dublin. Let's see, haven't put any dates, but that's a plan.
Stay tuned everyone.
Yeah, this is gonna be a raw video, hope you like it. Nothing much editing. Thank you guys. We'll see you in Tenerife. This is what I have for my inland drive and exploration and travel.